Well, guys, no oil. Think the motor's locked up on here. You know what that means. Time for an engine swap. So what do y'all think? 2JZ motor in this? I don't know. Maybe a 5.0. I'm not sure. We figure out something for this one. This thing. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Unfortunately, I don't really like to make a video like this, but I'm stuck. I don't know what's going on with this car. It's kind of, I don't even know how to explain it really. It's something going on with the idling. I'm not 100% sure it's funny acting. But I guess the only way I can show you if we go for a ride. So let's go ahead and go for a ride. Alright guys, and we're back in the 1998 Mach 1. Been a minute since we've been in here. So kind of happy. It drives pretty good from what it was before. I had a misfire. You know what, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and pull over here at the skate park. Why not, right? I don't have my skateboard on me. And either if I do, it wouldn't end well anyway. Yeah, I feel like this is a good place to park the Mustang at. Yeah, let's go ahead and park right here. Alright guys, the main problem with my car is this having idling issues. Now at first it had misfire, it was burning through gas like it was nothing, so it was running rich. And I fixed the misfire problem, changed out the TPS, what else? Changed out the IAC. Cleaned out the mass airflow. I haven't changed that out yet, but I'm probably gonna have to. I'm not sure. But basically what it does is it wants to idle around 2,000 RPMs whenever it's parked. Don't know why. It's just does it. And before it was trying to idle at 2,000 when I'm holding down on the brake and drive. So it's weird. I'm just going to tell you all the mods that I've done to the car that I feel like is what affecting it. So most of you guys know that I have a manual motor but with an automatic transmission, and I had to get a custom flex plate for it to fit it, an 8-bolt flex plate. So doing that, I didn't have the wiring harness for the automatic transmission, so I had to get a aftermarket transmission controller, and this is it right here, MSD. I don't know if anybody else is familiar about that, but let me see if you can see it. As you can see, at first it was everything that was TPS was just error H, but now since I reworked some of the wires that I will show y'all in the engine bay, now it's only showing that the calibration is error. The span and circuit is fine, it's okay, but for some reason the error is still on calibration. I'm not sure why. That's why I'm asking for help. But yeah guys, we get underneath the engine bay of the car, and that's where the transmission controller is, the actual computer part. It's over there in that area, that little red box. But this is where I'm having the problem at. is these wires right here. Now I did rewire them and tape them up, and it kind of look a little janky right now because I don't want to like completely cover it unless I'm 100% sure know that this is fine. But I did change out this, also changed out this, also put a new gasket on there. I saw somebody on Instagram make a custom gasket, so I made one myself, and it stops it from idling extremely high, which is good, but it doesn't fix my problem. It just patch it. Here's the 3 wires. Now the 3 wires go into the TPS. That's the normal wires, but I also had 3 other wires that goes to the computer to here, which is these wires, the black, orange, and red wires. Now, to my knowledge, I got everything connected right, and it's good, but for some reason the calibration is still off. What the heck? Okay, yeah, let me fix this real quick before I'm not going to even make it home. Let me fix that. And all these people are looking at me crazy because I got a camera and I'm talking to it, but it's whatever. But yeah, this is the main problem with the car. That's why I haven't been running it to the track. I haven't really been racing it or anything like that, because I don't know why. It's just like it wants to hiccup. Now I will say this. I tried to race one time and it was against a Tahoe and I lost. Shame, ain't it? But that's why I'm trying to fix it. So if you guys want more content with this, like at the racetrack and racing people, you know, the Mach 1 versus the Hemi, I'm still trying to do that, so don't worry about that. But I gotta fix it because I need every chance I can get to win against his Scat Pack now. So yeah, I gotta make sure I beat him. But yeah, if you know anything about what's going on with the whole island issue, please let me know. If you know anything about MSD products, please let me know. They over here flying a drone. That's kind of cool. I don't know if y'all can see it. But yeah, guys, that's really it that's going on with this car. It's idling funny. I don't know why. It's just, matter of fact, let me fix the cold air intake real quick and let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. Be right back. And quick tip, guys, if you don't have any tools on you, then what I should have, you can always use this, keys. So yeah, let me go ahead and get that. All right, let's see what it's gonna do. It's actually idling pretty low, but you see it's not idling down. So that's the problem I'm having. It's pretty ridiculous. You usually get up higher than that, but I guess since it's warm, it's not doing it anymore. So guys, if y'all can figure out what that problem is, please let me know. Comment, DM me, whatever you have to do. I'm about to get ready to go because this battery actually about to die. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Please help out. Thank you.